Hey there, man. This cold start is crazy. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, Goatz? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be putting on some eBay side skirts on my car. This joint is crazy. I don't know if y'all ready for this, but it's gonna be something to see. Now, I gotta let y'all know off rip, it's my first time installing side skirts. So just bear with me. I'm gonna put on one side first, then I'm gonna put on the other side and show you guys just to make sure I'm doing it right, because I don't want to fuck up on video, you know. But let's get it done. Let's get it done. Alright, so I got the car jacked up now. So now I'm gonna take you guys inside the garage to show you guys, because I have to drill the screws inside the side skirt first to have like a pre-hole or pre-drilled hole, I guess you could say. So when I put it on the car, it's a lot easier than trying to force it through the side skirt and well, the side splitter and the side skirt together. This is how it comes. For the M3, I did have to cut it a little bit. Yes, sir. So as you guys can see, we cut and measured, so it's definitely good now. And if you guys are wondering, I definitely did put this on the car just to make sure that it fit. So let's put it all together now. So I finished drilling the hole, and now I'm putting the side skirt onto the car. Now I know you guys may not have the support that I have. I have a lot of things here to support the splitter if I'm doing it by myself. I do have help, but I'm not going to use the help to show you guys how easy it is to put the side skirt on. But basically this is how it's looking right now without me drilling anything. So if you take a look, I got a jack stand right there. I got a jack holding up the car. I got a jack holding up the car right there. Got another jack stand holding the side splitter, and the jack in the back is actually holding the side splitter as well, just so I can get an understanding of where the side splitter should be. And then I'm just gonna correct it as much as I could when I get under the car. Alright, so we're under the car now, and I'm technically supposed to be lining everything up just to make sure everything is good. But this is where the difficult part comes in, because you can't really see exactly what it's looking like on the outside. So this is just a mock-up. I didn't put all the screws in there yet, but as you can see, it's in and it's lined up. I just got to put the last 9 screws in there. Then let's look at this side. Yeah, yeah. Alright, boom. So it's on now. It's actually fully on. I just gotta lower the car. See how it's looking. It looks alright so far. I don't know how long these shit's gonna last. So I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Once we lower the car,
the way he drives, not long. Not long.
Damn. No fade.
I give him 2 weeks.
No fade. Fuck.
That's a lot.
2's a lot.
That's a lot.
Watch our arms and legs. Going down.
Steven, I kom met 4 kinderen.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna hold you. She look nice with the side skirt.
Yeah. He just saying that. He don't mean that shit at all.
I definitely don't mean that shit.
Still like
That side skirt is shit, hey.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Boom. So it is the next day. As you guys can see, I did change my outfit. We're in a different location, but you guys can see the side splitter went on and they look amazing. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, unless you really come close to the car, you honestly cannot see where the side splitter divides, that 3 dividers. You cannot see that unless you're really close to the car, unless I tell you. From far away, it looks like one whole piece, and it actually looks really, really good. Like, I gotta pat myself on the back. I did real good. I did real good for my first time, you know? Now, one thing I definitely did forget to mention to you guys with these side splitters, they come, I think it's 86 inches when you purchase them off eBay. And with that, you have to measure the side of your car because they are universal. So once you measure the side of the car, you're gonna have to cut it like you see in this video right here. It actually comes with a metal bracket to guide you guys on the path on making the actual side splitter straight. The first time I did it without the metal piece because I didn't think that's what that piece was for. But then I started sanding it down just to get it smoothened out and everything. But yeah, it actually worked and everything went out fine. So like I said, just measure everything before you do it and then cut it to the size of your car. So I know another question you guys may be thinking is the back of the side skirt, it pokes out a lot. So when your passengers in the back go inside the car, do they step on the side skirt? And so far, yesterday and today I had passengers in the backseat of my car and nobody stepped on it. I actually did it myself. I tested it, and unless you're really trying to find it, you ain't gonna step on it. The car itself is difficult to get out of, so whenever you're getting out, you're always trying to balance yourself, trying to lift yourself up on stuff just to touch the ground. So what people usually do is try to find the ground before they try to get out. So I feel like if anybody actually do step on it by accident, they're gonna feel like that is not the ground because they need to plant their feet before they're able to get out the car. So I don't think that should be an issue at all for people to be stepping on it. But if they do, what else we're gonna do, man? Ain't nothing else to do. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. The splitter is on. It does look amazing. And I do have more to come. As you guys can see in the B-roll, I don't have a front splitter. I don't have a front lip. And the reason why I don't got a front lip, because the one that we literally just put on in the last video, that joint went bye-bye. So we ordered another one. We actually have it with us. Look at this. Look at this. No cap. If you guys think I'm lying. Right there. Boom. Got another one ready to go. Another one ready to go. Come on, man. You can't beat the lip king, man. Nah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I know I'm not the only one. I cannot be the only F80 owner that just runs through lips. I know there's other people out there, but I feel like, because this is new to me, I feel like I'm the king. This is now my 3rd lip I'm going through. It's all a part of the game. Like I said, it pays to play. So we got that one. And I ain't gonna lie to you guys, we have another one on order, so you gotta stay tuned for that video because there's another video coming on that too. I'm not gonna show you guys how to install it and nothing like that because I already did that, and there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do that. But that video is coming pretty soon too. But yeah, man, that's literally it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiverseDJ, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.